In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal information on Wise. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Updating your personal information on financial platforms is an essential task, and Wise makes that process relatively straightforward. So let's dive right in. Firstly, the very first step is to log into your Wise account. If you don't have the app on your mobile device or haven't accessed the website, go ahead and do that now. Grab your login credentials. You'll need your email and password. Once you arrive on the Wise homepage, you're going to see a prominent area for logging in. Enter your details and click Log In. Simple enough, right? Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate your profile. To do this, look for your name, which should be displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your name, and it will take you directly to your profile page. This is where you can view all your account details at a glance. Now that you've accessed your profile, the third step is to find the section that allows you to see your personal details. You'll want to click on a link or button that says Personal Details. This is typically displayed clearly, so you won't have to look too hard. By clicking on this, you're one step closer to being able to make any changes that you need. After you've accessed the Personal Details section, the fourth step is to click on Personal Information. This is where you will see all the details that can be edited, such as your name, date of birth, and contact information. Clicking on this link will allow you to dive into the nitty-gritty of your account information. Now comes the fun part, making changes. So, step 5 requires you to change your name if necessary. Click on the option to edit your name. This is useful if you've recently married or changed your name for any reason. Enter the new name you want to use, and remember to double-check how it's spelled because accuracy is key. Next, moving on to step 6, you'll want to look for the section where you can update your date of birth. This is often needed for various reasons, such as meeting age requirements for certain services. Click on this option and carefully enter your birth date. Again, make sure to double-check for any typos. Your date of birth is crucial information, so accuracy matters a lot. Now, let's discuss step 7, where you'll have the ability to change your phone number. This is vital to ensure you can receive notifications or alerts from Wise. Find the section specifically for your phone number and type in the new number you want to associate with your account. Once you've done that, make sure you save all changes. There should be a button at the bottom or top of the screen that says Save. Click that button to ensure that all your updates are stored securely, and there you have it. You have successfully updated your personal information on Wise. Make sure to log out once you're done, especially if you're on a shared device. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with managing your Wise account.